Fin2 is the first AI agent to deliver human quality customer service, handling all of your frontline support and giving your customers safe, accurate, and personalized answers in over 45 languages. When a customer sends a question, Fin2 responds right away, using your support content and policies to generate answers, fetching or updating customer data, all in your tone of voice, and only handing over to your team when it can't resolve the issue. This way, a huge proportion of your support volume is resolved by Fin, giving your team the time to provide personal and attentive support to the customers who really need it. Everybody wins. And even better, if Fin does need to hand over to human support, it can use the context it's gathered during the conversation to route it straight to the right team, ensuring your customers get a seamless experience while moving from automated to human support.